YouTube channel. And this particular video I'm talking about this particular AIT project which is called ATL. This particular ATL actually partner with Oxygen. And if you have watched my particular video here, this particular video that you can see this particular arrow being pointed on, I share a particular information on it on how you be able to get this particular 500 ATL token if we're able to leverage on this particular Oxygen partnership with them. But a lot of my community member was unable to actually participate because it actually involved 0.01, which was less than $1 gas fee, which was in Solana. So in this video, I'm sharing with you how you'll be able to get this ATL token free of charge without any transaction fee or having any Solana. And the fun part of it is that you can even get way more than 500 ATL token, more than those who actually use this particular Solana gas fee. So that's what I'll be sharing in this particular video. So don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime we upload another video. So I'll drop in the link that you need for you to get started in this particular description or in the comment section of this particular. So you need to just sit down and watch this video. If you want to join my WhatsApp group for every update about any project that we are actually mining, the link will be available in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So as you can see now, you can see they say the future of Viva is decentralized. So you could see we have I'm going to show you how to get whitelisted, and the whitelist supply is around 100 million, and we have 6 days. That's why you need to just join ASAP now. So what I'll do is that you join this particular waitlist. The link, don't worry, I'll tell you on how you'll be able to get the link. So I will have to drop my Oxygen email here for them. Let me quickly do that now, ASAP now. So I've been told that a particular code will be sent to me. So this is the code. Let me quickly copy it and go and paste it there. So I've actually posted the code. So let me tap on verify. Let it verify. So this is it now. It asks me to connect a wallet. So I will connect my Factom wallet. It was Factom wallet I used for that particular first time, which was the one Oxygen did. But this from coming from the ATL themselves. So let me quickly connect the wallet. So let me sign up. It is my fingerprint. Let me sign. So a lot of people have been telling me that ATL, who actually did that one, say the ATL is not actually asking for contract address. I've been telling my people, just wait. I'll create another video on how you'll be able to say, because I don't want you to actually do mistakes. So let me tap on connect. Let me connect the wallet quickly now. So I'm connecting the wallet right away. So now it will show me for me to sign up. I will now sign it, which is the second one. So I'm linking the wallet now together. I'm actually trying to show you the details so that you will not find yourself in a difficult situation. You could see it's telling me to do some follow up. Let me quickly do all this follow up, and everything will be completed. See, I'm already following them already. So let me go back and tap and follow. All these tasks are very, very important. You just have to do it. So if you do the first one, you know that you have actually done all this one. So all this, in fact, even this retweet, we have done it way back in the first one. So let me just do on repost. You can see it shows that I've done it. Let me go. I mean, you have to give me my flower because I all went ahead to do all particular research so that everyone could actually participate in this particular one. So these ones too, they say open X to post. I'll open my X account to post it. So I looked at it. So this one now, a lot of people are not already there, and the number of ATL token that will be shared is 100 million. Do you know it? I'll do some certain calculation for you to know the amount we are talking about now here. So let me post this first. So I will have to tap I have post. So this is the last one. Let me join their Telegram. I'm already on their Telegram channel already. So let me just go back. I'm there. So he's waiting for it to dictate. So I have joined. So this is just a wait list, and over 100 million this thing will actually be joined. So let me tap. I'll have to tap on confirm and join wait list. So now I'm in now. So you could see it. So you just joined 5 points away from becoming eligible. So they say I'm just so you see now they say I'm not eligible yet. So they say earn 5 more points to become eligible, which means maybe I'm supposed to do some certain tasks. And one of the easiest way is to just refer to just refer 5 people. Let me show you that. And this one now, you can see it now. Look at this one now. They say flash referral contest. They say 4 times point boost. Invite 5 friends and get 20 point bonus. So I could just revive 5 friends and just get into this particular thing, and I will become eligible. So there are a lot of contests here that is ongoing now, that is available, that I will also create another video for you. So if you know you can actually refer 5 friends, you can get on board rather than using maybe 0.01 to be eligible to get 500. This one now you can even get 1,000, 5,000, even at 10,000, because this one will be depending. It will be dependent on the number of people that are eligible. That is the number of people that particular token will be shared among. So this one was, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notifications. Thank you and bye bye for now.